Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here piperidine ring is given. You have phenyl carbonyl attachment and you have N substitution which has possibility of topicity. You have to find whether the two hydrogens are diastereotopic or enantiotopic or homotopic. Basically you have to find the topicity. Here finding the answer, you might think of the mirror image because it is directly enantiotopic. Let us analyze the every possibility here. Here homotopic is not possible because hydrogens are not identical. Since chiral carbons are next to nitrogen, both hydrogens are different because stereochemically different. Diastereotopic means you should have chiral carbon nearby. Nitrogen is not chiral because of the quick inversion. So only possibility is enantiotopic. If you substitute, you have mirror image of that. So the compound is enantiotopic. So the hydrogens are anisotopic. The concept you have to learn here is the chiral nitrogen is not possible because of rapid inversion. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.